welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on today? Today I am bringing to you some amazing new finds at the Dollar Tree. It is the end of May, the beginning of June, and Dollar Tree has some amazing new dishware. You can buy a full place setting for about $4 to $6 depending on the pieces that you want to add to your place setting. That is amazing, and the prints and the designs on this dishware are so stinking cute, I can hardly stand it. They are so summery and so fun and so vibrant, I had to bring it to you. So let's jump into it and let me show you all of the new dishware. It's not just one, it's not just two. There are 4 new designs that the Dollar Tree is carrying now that I absolutely love. I'm gonna start off by showing you the amazing new dish sets that the Dollar Tree is now carrying. They've got 4 or 5 that I personally have seen so far. Would you look at this, I would call it a paisley set with like these amazing flowers. They come with these glasses, the plate, a wine glass, and you've got a placemat that is reversible. They didn't have the bowl. I'll have to keep my eye open for that. This next set is about as summery as you can get. These lemons on a branch. I am loving it with a mug, the plate, a wine glass. You've got this bowl here, and it is a nice size bowl. I am loving this set. And it comes with the glass as well, and a placemat that's reversible. And there is a matching dish towel to this set as well. And this here is another new set, which I'm kind of bummed about because this is the set that I want a full set of to put in my motorhome, is this cherry on the branch. None of the Dollar Trees in my area have any of the dishware that has that print on them. I have seen them. The Dollar Trees in my area are placing these clear black dishes, which are amazing. This is a new set. I've seen the wine glasses before, but I've never seen the plate and the bowl, and this pairs nicely with these cherry placemats. And if all of these fun prints weren't exciting enough, my Dollar Tree is now carrying a full Rachael Ray set of dishes in this red, and the edges are ribbed. It also comes in this amazing green, loving it, and this bright, vivacious orange. Love, love, love these colors. I also found these amazing wall decor pieces that are kind of like the rolled paper. I am loving these. They're distressed. It says family, the ones we live with, laugh with, and love. And then this nice one about in this house. We are real, we make mistakes, we say sorry, we give hugs, we forgive, we do loud, we are patient, we have fun. I love this. And they've got the twine at the top. And this is another new item that I see, is this brow building gel that's supposed to last all day without smudging. It came in brown and black, so I picked up the brown. And there you have it. Tell me this dishware is not stinking amazing. It is so fun and summery, I can hardly stand it. I absolutely love it, and I think that if you like it and you're interested in this, you need to go run out to your Dollar Tree and get it while you can, and I hope that your Dollar Tree carries it. I know that it kind of rotates, so it might be something that you need to keep your eye out for. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.